This is the sound. Keep watching to find out how it's pronounced in British English. Hi everybody and welcome back to Lean English. I'm Ed and I'm here to help you achieve your pronunciation goals. Before we start, remember to like this video if you find it useful and subscribe for more British English pronunciation lessons in the future. Now let's look at the sound in a bit more detail. Do you remember the sound which we looked at a couple of weeks ago? The sound is produced in a similar way. So first produce the sound. Now do it again, but this time open your mouth about halfway as you continue to smile. Well done, you just produced the sound. This sound is produced with the mouth partially open and the lips smiling, and when we do this it pulls the tongue forward. This gives the sound its technical name, the close mid front unrounded vowel. However, this name and symbol are a bit out of date because this sound is generally produced with the mouth more open in modern pronunciation. Obviously, in real conversation we don't produce the sound first, but you can use this trick to find the correct mouth position. So, try and remember the mouth position and produce the sound again. Now, look at these words. Can you identify the sound? Listen and see if you can hear it. Many. Next. Again. Instead. Guess. Team. Friend. Berry. The sound is usually spelt with the letters E or EA, such as in the words next and instead. It can be spelt with other letters, such as in the words many, again, guess, friend and berry, but these spellings are rare. Words spelt with the letters EA, which contain the sound, can be especially confusing because the pronunciation often varies in word families. This is most noticeable in past tense verbs which adopt the E sound in the present tense. For example, read, read, meant, mean, dreamt, dream, dealt, deal. A similar change occurs in other word families, such as cleanse, clean, health, heal, pleasure, please, breath, breathe. Remember to open your mouth halfway when you produce the sound to avoid confusing it with the E sound in these pairs of words. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. Wet weather is terrible. My girlfriend said yes. The chef guessed correctly. My pet eats bread every day. They bury the dead in the cemetery. The sound in them may be replaced with the schwa sound in connected speech. This is known as the weak form. For example, give it to them now. This word may further transform when preceded by a consonant sound. In this case, the th sound is replaced with the preceding consonant. For example, give him some money. This is known as lagging assimilation, and it's a way of linking words together in connected speech. Where the th sound is replaced with a different type of sound, it's known as manner assimilation. For example, tell them the news. This is a very relaxed way of speaking, so it may not be appropriate for more formal settings. However, being aware of it can help you to understand native speakers. I recommend you watch my video on assimilation for more information about this process. Well, that's the end of the lesson, but can you think of any more words that contain the eh sound? Let me know in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.